Guys, do you know the most beautiful thing in this world? Guess. Okay, let me tell. It's flowers and my subscriber.
मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था तो राम निकला रे देव मानुस निकला
Flowers are so useful. Some of the uses are wait, not these one.
दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो रहा है बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे क्या लबे सीरी सा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन गार्डन तो
Actually, we use them in puja and decorations and functions like haldi and mehndi. So my craft is, let's get ready to make these beautiful flowers that always remain bright and bloom. Now cut the chart paper like this. As you can see my measurements. As you can see, it will look like this. Now I have to make the two corners rounder. No, it should be opposite to each other. Now I am making it rounder with my scissor. Now cut a whole bunch of pieces like this. Now cut a small bottle like this. You can also use a disposable glass on the place of this bottle. I am sticking it with the help of clay on the floor. Apply a little pressure. Now I have to fold this square paper so that the rounder corners will come outside, something like this. Now place it on the sides of the bottle like this. Do it to the every side. Follow the process that I am doing in this video. Now I have to apply the gum at the edges of this bottle so that the both layers will attach nicely. Guys, put the chart paper something like this so that the empty space will be covered completely. There should not be any gap and it should be even from the all sides. Now repeat the process. Make the other layers on the top again and again so that the inner hole that you are seeing in this video is completely filled. As you can see guys, the inner empty space is filling slowly and slowly. We should cover it completely. So guys, it's ready now. I know you are excited. Here you go. We got the beautiful flower. How beautiful it is guys. You can see. Wow man. I'm extremely happy after making this. Wow man, we can use it in different festivals and occasions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more such content, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time guys. Bye bye.